How to clean your refrigerator the right way. Here is a step-by-step video to clean your fridge the most efficient way. Have a look on this till end. Prep before cleaning your fridge. Arrange all essential cleaning supplies. Soak removable parts in hot water, shelves and drawers. How to eliminate stubborn stains from the interiors. Tackle the bad smell naturally. Clean the exteriors, door panels and coils. Restock your fridge. So by following the steps above, you can turn the most overwhelming tasks into manageable sessions, ensuring a clean, hygienic kitchen. To know more, visit our website now.